Do you have leftover stuffing and not sure what to do with it? Well, turn it into a baked egg frittata. It's so easy to do and it's absolutely delicious. Welcome to the Salted Pepper, where we cook for real life, using real food, and we keep it real simple. Today we're gonna make a really easy frittata using some leftover cornbread and sausage stuffing. But any stuffing will work, or dressing if you call it dressing. This is the stuff that you make for Thanksgiving, and you have tons of it left over usually. This is a perfect use for it. All right, the first thing I'm gonna do is open up the lid here. We're gonna turn the NInja Foodi on. We're gonna go to sear saute, but this time we're gonna take our temperature down. I'm gonna take it to low medium because we want this to cook kind of low and slow. We don't want the eggs to burn to the bottom. I'm gonna add in 2 tablespoons of butter. Let that melt. Meanwhile, I'm gonna get my stuffing measured out here. I'm gonna use about 2 or 3 cups of stuffing, and then I will tell you what's in that egg mixture there. All right, well, my butter's not melting quite as fast as I thought, so let's move on to the eggs here. You could turn the heat up if you wanted to and melt the butter a little bit faster, but I'm not gonna worry about that. All right, what I have here is 6 large eggs that are whipped up with about 1/2 teaspoon of fine grind sea salt and about 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. You could use milk, you could use half and half, you could skip that, it's perfectly fine. I'm gonna add about 1 tablespoon or so of chopped green onions to that. And that's gonna be our egg mixture that we pour over this stuffing. All right, so look, I've been doing this for about 3 minutes now. I'm just a little too impatient. This is supposed to be a quick and easy recipe, so I am going up to, guess what I did? Did you see that blinking? I forgot to hit start. That's why my butter is not melting. We're gonna go back to low medium. See how that can happen? Gotta hit the start button. All right, that's starting to melt. And now we're gonna add in our stuffing. So what I'm gonna do is just dump in 2 to 3 cups. Like I said, I just want to kind of cover the bottom there. I'm gonna press it down a little bit, but we're gonna leave some room for the eggs to sort of flow in between so that they can set up as well. So let's get 2 cups in and see what we have here. All right, it looks like 3 cups is gonna be perfect. Now I should mention that is cold right out of the refrigerator. All right, that looks perfect. Now we just pour over our eggs. Let's just go ahead and pour them like right in the middle and let them go where they wanna go. And now what we're gonna do is let them set up a little bit. Then once they start to set, I'm gonna put the crisping lid down and finish them off that way. Add a little bit of cheese, some more chives, and we're good to go. All right, so it's just been about 2 or 3 minutes and I'm already seeing the edges here setting up. So that is great. We are ready to lower our crisping lid. So first thing I'm gonna do is just get a little bit of cheese on there. This is totally optional. I'm using a smoked cheddar. I thought it would go well with the sausage and the cornbread. A mild cheddar would be fine, or you can just skip it. I'm not gonna put a lot on it. I'm just putting just a little tiny bit. So maybe 1/4 cup, if that. All right, so now we go down and we're gonna go over to bake roast. We're gonna go down to 350, hit start. Probably about 5 minutes or so, and we'll be ready to eat. Isn't that so fast and easy? Like, these are the kind of breakfast that I love. And guess what? This isn't my recipe. This is Jeff's recipe. He surprised me the other morning with this, and I was like, that is so good. We have to do a video on it, so that's what I'm doing. All right, so it's been just about 5 minutes. Let's go ahead and take a peek here. And it looks good, but we want to make sure that it's done all the way down. So an easy way to do that is just kind of press down in a few places to make sure it's completely set. Now I'm seeing like right here, I'm seeing a little bit of egg. So I'm saying, nope, it's not quite done yet, but it looks really good. So I'd say maybe 5 more minutes. So that is a super quick breakfast. You can get it done in about 15 minutes. Like, that's amazing. All right, so it's been a total of 10 minutes. Let's go ahead and take a peek. Oh, it looks so good. And just push down in different areas. See if you see any raw egg oozing out. And I don't. It looks perfectly set. Then I like to go around the edges here to kind of loosen it up. All right, and now we're ready to cut it and serve it. So, of course, you could dig in with a spoon if you wanted to, or you could try to get a little fancier like I'm gonna do and sort of make it into like a pie shape. So I'm just gonna go down the center here. And down again. So this would make 8 servings here. 8 little wedges. Oh my gosh, you think I can get it out? Let's see, maybe. Yay! Look at that! Oh my gosh! Look at how beautiful that is! This is absolutely gorgeous. Like, it's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, so I would just like top it maybe with a few little green onions. Let's grab a fork, let's see what it tastes like. Oh my gosh, look at that little bit of cheese. Oh, I am really excited about this. Oh my gosh, it looks amazing. Oh my. Wow. It's perfect. I'm so excited. It is absolutely perfect. The cornbread sausage and pepper stuffing with these eggs is amazing. And the smoked cheddar works perfectly. Highly recommend. But you can do any combination you want, any kind of stuffing. You know, put anything you want in your eggs, garnish with whatever you want. As always, make it yours, make it delicious, and keep it real.